First, see the demo. You have seen this kind of animated website, but no one is clearly showing how to build these animated beautiful websites. In this video, I am going to guide you step by step and going to use only free tools available in the market. So let's get started. First, copy this prompt from the video description. Go to Whisk AI and type generate an imaginary brand of whey protein and design the front view of the protein jar. Select the aspect ratio as 16:9. Lock the seed value and click the send button. After a few seconds, 2 images will be generated. Drag your favorite image to the subject area and drop it. Now paste the prompt you copy from the video description. Select the same aspect ratio and seed value and send. It immediately created 2 high quality images. Click to open the images and download the one you liked. Now go back to ChatGPT and drag and drop the downloaded image and paste the prompt. Hit send. It is creating 2 prompts to create video footage using VEO. In the generated prompt, there are detailed scene type, start and end screen, product description, and exact timeline. Go to Whisk again. Drag and drop the image from the canvas and unselect the previous subject. Then type this prompt. Remove the product and the particles and only generate the background without any foreground elements. Then send it. Download the background image only. Now it's time to generate the videos. Go to Google Flow. Click on the plus icon to start a new project. The canvas looks like this. You must have few credits to generate videos. Adjust the setting accordingly. Choose landscape video. Generate 2 videos with the 3.1 fast model. Then upload the first frame as the blank background image. Then upload the second frame as well. Go back to ChatGPT to copy the first video prompt. Paste this in VEO and send. Wait for a few minutes and your first video is ready. There are 2 samples generated and preview them before moving to the next step. Now it's time to create the second part of the video. Click on the video that you liked. Then click extend. Choose the 3.1 fast model. Go to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. And paste to VEO. Then send it. After a few minutes, your extended video is ready. Just see the result. The total video length is 16 seconds. Now click on download and choose the full video with 720p resolution. Now you have to extract the frames from the video. To do this, search video to frames and click on the first link. Choose the video you just created and upload it. Then choose the frame per second as 18 and click on Convert to JPG. After generation is complete, scroll down and download the zip folder. Then click Extract to unzip it. Now it's time to create the website. Create a new blank folder and type cmd to open a new terminal. Search Next.js in browser and click the first link. Click on the command to copy it. Go back to the terminal and paste it. Hit enter. Follow these steps as I am doing and your project setup is ready within few minutes. Then open the folder in Antigravity. In the agent panel, paste this prompt. You have to move the unzipped folder to the public directory of this project. Just copy the unzipped folder and paste it in the public folder. Now in Antigravity, drag the same folder to the agent and click on the send button. Now the agent is running and building the animated website. It will choose the best possible text stacks. Open the Antigravity terminal and type npm run dev. Press enter. Control click on the localhost link to open the website in the browser. Now scroll the website and see how beautifully Antigravity has made the animation. The frames are changing, text are revealing while I scroll. It has a beautiful, wonderful effect. It has done a wonderful job. Go back to Antigravity. I want to add a header and buttons under the large texts. Paste the prompt and send. Accept all and go back to the browser. It has added a beautiful header and also button is looking nice. Your animated website is ready. If you want to host it for free, use Vercel. I have a tutorial on this. Please check the last part of the video showing on the screen. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification to get new video updates. You guys are awesome. See you in the next video.